In the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep, a dear little plant lay fast asleep. Wakes at the sunshine and creep to the light. Wakes at the voice of the raindrops bright. The little plant heard and it rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. So children, you remember the seed that I had sowed in the mud? Can you see it here now? So it has grown and it is facing towards the sunlight, because plants need sunlight, they need water. And this plant, it was inside the seed. When it got the sunlight and when it got the raindrops, it started growing. And then it grew and it looked at the world. The world is so beautiful. God has created a beautiful world for us to see and enjoy. Okay children, now we'll go back to the lesson. So there are some exercises and I hope that you have read the lesson. Yes? So the first exercise, you can see here, the first exercise says circle the correct words. Circle the correct words. So there are two options here. You have to choose the right one. The children played under a pear or mango tree. So which is the correct answer? They played under a mango tree. So you have to put a circle there. So if you have read the lesson, then you can answer it very easily. Next one. There are 5 questions there. Second one says, I have written only one. I will read out the remaining ones. Vasu could hear chirp chirp or mew mew. What did Vasu hear? Think and answer. Third one. The mangoes were sweet or salty. So you know how the mango tastes. So you put a circle for the correct answer. Fourth one. Payal and Leela wanted to plant a pear or mango tree. You know the answer, right? Fifth one. Trees give us shade or light. So think and answer and put a circle for the correct word. Will you all do that, children? Very good. It's on page number 8. Now question B. Who said these words? Who said these words? The first one is, what fun it is to play here. Now who said that word? The children were playing under the mango tree. And who said that? Amir. So Amir said, what fun it is to play here. So you have to write the correct answer there. The second one is, yes, it is very cool here. Now, who said that? I hope you know the answer. Third one, yes, I can hear chirp chirp. Who said these words? Find out from the lesson. Fourth one, hey, that mango is about to fall. Catch it. Who said these words? We'll find the answer in the lesson. Okay, now we'll go to the next one. Word wise. Here some words are given. Can you see here? Question C. Some words are given. You have to say them aloud. Word wise. Say these words aloud. So, whenever there is a letter A, you have to say A. So, A-T, at. B-A-T, bat. C-A-T, cat. M-A-T, mat. R-A-T, rat. C-A-N, can. F-A-N, fan. M-A-N, man. P-A-N, pan. V-A-N, van. So look at the letter and remember the sound made by each of those letters, and then you join and read the words. Now question D is about writing the word by looking at the picture. You have to look at the picture. A picture is given there. So you look at the picture and write the word. Now the first one is a fruit. The picture of a fruit is drawn there. Question D. Question D says, look at the picture. Look at the picture. Now here there is a picture of a mango. I hope you know how to draw a mango. Letter S. Letter S. This way. Write letter S and then you join it like this. Okay, children? So the first one is, the first letter is written already. M is written there. Which is the next letter? M, A, N, G and O. So in the same way, there are 3 more pictures. You can see the picture here. The second one is the last letter is written there. So you have to find out. Look at the picture and guess the spelling. So there are 4 pictures given there. You have to do that. Will you all do that, children? Very good. Now the next one, question E. Can you see question E? Now question E says, match the words. Question E says, match the words. So, first one is done for you there. The first word is sing. So, what do? We sing songs. Second one, clap. We clap hands. Third, water. What do we water? We water the plants. Very good. Fourth one, climb. We climb the stairs. Fifth one, smell flowers. We smell the flowers. So this is the match the following. Please complete that. Okay. Now, the next one is fill in the blanks with words from the tree. Now there is a tree and in that tree some words are written. In that tree some words are written. You have to choose the right word. That is question F. You have to choose the right word and fill in the blanks. The question is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So there is a tree here. There is a tree. Can you see here? And some words are written. I-S is, T-H-E, the, want, W-A-N-T, want, I-T, it, B-I-G, big. I'll rewrite this one. I-S is T-H-E, the. Now, here there are some sentences. There are 5 sentences. So, the first one is, this is a dash tree. Now, you have to choose the word from here. One is already done there. This is a, which word will fit in here? This is a, will it be east tree? Can it be east tree? Or this is a dirt tree? This is a want tree? You have to try to use all the words given there and find out the correct word. this is a big tree. Yes, the correct answer is big. B-I-G. Then you strike this word. That word is already written there. Now 4 words are remaining. So the second one is where dash the boy. Where dash the boy. So you have to think now whether it is where is the boy or where want the boy. You have to think. Third one, please bring dash bat here. So again here you have to see which word fits in there. Fourth one, is dash your bat? So you have to find out the correct answer. And the fifth one is I dash to play. I dash to play. So you find out the correct answer, complete all the exercises, and again you have to read the lesson. Okay children, will you all do that? Very good. So in the last class I had told you about this states. I hope you have done it. Now these two are the Union Territory. So I have marked it as stripes. Now I want you to learn the names of these states and their language spoken in that state. Will you all do that? Yes, very good. Okay children, I'll see you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.